For me to move quickly to a place of trying to get them to be same as or equal, or where the betrayed partner is in essence being asked to just trust again, that's unreasonable. It's unfair. I would even say it can be abusive and traumatic. Okay, because this partner now has a history. They now know they have a history being disempowered, of not being able to be given a choice. There's going to be a period of time where there's going to be a recalibration happening. The balance of power is going to feel like it tips. There has to be such a shift in the power dynamic. Here's what this looks like. I'm not saying, therefore, the partner who did the betraying should be mistreated or punished or anything like that. That is not the case. There may be a period of time where the one who did the betrayal, the one who was committing the deceit, who was disempowering the other partner, that one has to play by some rules that the betrayed partner isn't yet comfortable or confident to play by. Here's what I mean. They're going to have to demonstrate their willingness to be completely open and honest and transparent, perhaps while their partner doesn't feel safe being that vulnerable. They're going to have to demonstrate their willingness to put the relationship first, to prioritize protecting the relationship over protecting themselves, which actually is what's best for them. But they're going to have to do that to demonstrate that they really mean that they want that they can do that, while the betrayed partner is still in a protective stance, watching to see, can I shift to putting the relationship first? I lived putting the relationship first for years, and look where that got me. So before that partner is going to step into that again, into that willingness to be vulnerable in that way, they're going to be watching the partner who did the betraying to look for their ability to be all in, essentially, to put the relationship first. That's going to feel like an imbalance. It's going to feel like the one who did the betraying, the one who is in recovery for addiction, is being asked to play by rules that the betrayed partner isn't. That's the result of years, maybe decades, of that power differential and the imbalance being the other way. Now, can it stay that way? No, it can't stay that way forever, but it might need to be that way for a time while trust is being rebuilt.